Now we drop that and we gotta rinse it, but you're not strong enough to rinse, so I'll do the rinsing. And then I'll give you something else. Ready? Okay. Same deal. Hold this in one hand. Hold this in the other. Wash it. Keep on doing it. Good job! Thank you. All right. Then it gets rinsed. Never too young. Yeah, don't go away yet. There's a whole thing full. This in one hand. This in the other. Wash it. Oh, no. Just because you can see through it doesn't mean you're really doing it. Good job. This in one hand. This in the other. See in reverse? He took the sponge in his left hand. Good job. Okay, now.